The given function a is defined in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So we'll write its Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2 pi as f of x is equal to a naught plus summation a n cos nx plus b n sin nx. N is 1 to infinity, where a naught is 1 upon 2 pi. Write this formula. Okay, this is the definition a naught a and b n. So we'll find a naught first. A naught is 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi. F of x is e raised to alpha x dx. That is 1 upon 2 pi integration e raised to alpha x upon alpha. Yes. So it is 1 upon 2 pi alpha e raised to 2 pi alpha minus e raised to 0, that is 1. Right? This is a naught. Now an is 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi e raised to alpha. Alpha is not equal to 0 is given. So alpha is in the denominator, but alpha is not 0, so there will be no problem if alpha is in the denominator also. E raised to alpha x into cos nx dx. Now this integration. How to write this integration?
इन्फिनिट दोघांचं पण इंटिग्रेशन आहे मॅम.
How can we take that? Can we use Leibniz?
No.
No, as no one's derivative is 0. No
0.
Leibniz rule. So next, what should we do? There is no sin cos, cos cos, or sin sin, so that we can write 2 sin a, 2 sin a cos b like. There is one e and there is cos. For this also, yes, yes, very good.
First term e raised to nx plus e raised to minus nx upon 2.
E raised to, no, that is for hyperbolic. It is cos only. It is not cos hyperbolic. It is simply cos. It is simply cos. Cos formula is not e raised to, right? That is e raised to I times. So,
hyperbolic ma'am.
yes, yes, it is for hyperbolic. So we have one formula. Initially, when we have written the formula, I told you that is integration e raised to ax cos bx dx, and second is e raised to ax sin bx dx. These two formulae are very important. What is this? E raised to ax upon a square plus b square into a cos bx. If it is cos, there is plus in between, plus b sin bx. This is the integration.
नाही लिहून दिला मॅम.
नहीं दिला, लिहा पर आता. Integration e raised to ax cos bx dx is e raised to ax upon a square plus b square into a cos bx. If it is cos formula, then there is plus in between, and a will be b and cos will be sin. And next, secondly, if it is sin, then the formula is e raised to ax upon a square plus b square into a sin bx. ज्याच्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला आहे ते पहिलं लिहायचे a sin bx, and once it is done, if it is for sin, there is minus in between, a will be b and yes, cos sin will be cos. Note down this formula. चलो, then we'll go to an. लिहिलेत formula?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, चलो, an is 1 upon pi e raised to alpha x cos nx. So here if we compare e raised to ax cos bx, so a is alpha, right, and b is n, correct? E raised to ax
Yes.
cos bx. So a is here alpha, b is here n. So in our formula we'll change accordingly. That is an is equal to 1 upon pi integration 0 to, let me write it again, e raised to alpha x cos nx dx. So I'll apply now 1 upon pi e raised to alpha x upon alpha square plus, yes, in into,
alpha cos nx
yes, plus
n sin
nx. Very good. And
n sin
yes, and the whole part is integration, so that is from 0 to pi. Okay, so it is equal to 1 upon pi. Now in this put x as 2 pi first, so it is e raised to 2 pi alpha upon alpha square plus n square, alpha into cos 2n pi. What is cos 2n pi? 1. Or should I write? Okay, let me write cos 2n pi plus n sine minus. Now lower limit e raised to 0, e raised to 0 upon alpha square plus n square, alpha cos 0 plus n sine 0. Lower limit x is 0, upper limit x is 2 pi. We have just written. So 1 upon pi e raised to 2 pi alpha upon alpha square plus n square cos 2n pi. This value is 1. Sin 2n pi is
0
0. So this is 0. It is
0
just alpha. Yes. Minus e raised to 0. 1 upon alpha square plus n square into alpha cos 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. एवढं राहतंय. सो ह्या दोघांमध्ये कॉमन काय आहे ते बाहेर काढा. अल्फा अपॉन अल्फा स्क्वेअर प्लस एन स्क्वेअर, बाहेरचा पाय ॲज इट इज, आणि काय राहतं ई रेस टू 2 पाय अल्फा मायनस 1. दिस इज ए एन. समजला? देर इज अ फॉर्म्युला if there is e and sin or e and cos.
Yes, ma'am.
Then bn. Chalo, we'll solve this also. 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx dx. There is 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi e raised to alpha x into sin nx dx. So there is formula, we'll apply it. E raised to ax sin bx, e raised to alpha x upon alpha square plus n square, b is n, alpha square, into a alpha sin nx as it is, and as it is for sin there is negative sign, b is n cos nx, and this is from 0 to 2 pi. See the formula, correct hai ka? Alpha sin
Yes.
as it is, and as there is sign in between negative sign, b is n cos nx. Chalo, upper lower limits 1 upon pi e raised to 2 pi alpha upon alpha square plus n square into directly we'll put alpha into sin 2n pi 0, so this is 0, minus n into cos 2n pi 1, right? So it is minus. Upper limit done, minus lower limit e raised to 0, that is 1 upon alpha square plus n square into sine 0 into anything 0 minus n into cos 0 is 1. That is what is common again, n upon alpha square plus n square is common. N upon alpha square, n upon alpha square. As it is plus, we'll write this first 1 minus e raised to 2 pi alpha. Correct है क्या? This is Bn. Therefore, the Fourier series is f of x is a naught. Where is a naught? What is a naught? Tell me. Okay, 1 upon 2 pi alpha e raised to 2 pi alpha minus 1 plus summation n is 1 to infinity an alpha upon pi alpha square plus n square e raised to 2 pi alpha minus 1 into cos nx an cos nx plus bn it is here n upon pi alpha square plus n square 1 minus e raised to 2 pi alpha into sin nx. This is the required Fourier series. Yes, getting. Sri Ram Vaishnavi Surase is here. Surase, roll number 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting better a little bit?
काय?
समजते थोडंफार?
नाही मॅडम, जरा उशिरा जॉईन झालो.
एक काम करा, पहिल्यापासून तुम्ही सगळ्या PDF बघा, अटॅच केलेल्या व्हिडिओज बघा, ठीक आहे? आणि जे नाही समजत ते मला पुन्हा विचारा.
ठीक आहे.
आजचे दिवस तेवढं बघून घ्या काय झालेलं आहे ते. आपल्याला फक्त इंटिग्रेशनचाच पार्ट आहे, सगळे इंटिग्रेशन्सच करायचे. त्यामुळं मागचं तुमचं झालंच पाहिजे क्लिअर सगळं. आणखी कुणी आहे का? यांनी मला मेसेज केल्यामुळे कळलं की यांना थोडासा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. आणखी कुणी आहे का प्रॉब्लेम आहे? तुम्ही थोडं मागचं बघून घ्या. जेव्हापासून फुरियर सिरीज सुरू झाले एकदा ते वाचा सगळं. डेलीच्या शीटमध्ये आहे बघा, त्या PDF आहेत आणि व्हिडिओज पण आहेत. सो तुम्ही ते एकदा बघाल आणि तरीही जर प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर मला सांगा, आपण त्याला क्लिअर करूया. ओके, चलो, शुड वी स्टॉप देन? Okay, I will stop. Thank you.